Hi, this is János, it's Real World Audio, and believe it or not, this is time again for another unboxing video. We haven't had it for a long while, so it is really high time. And I have Machi as an assistant to assist for the unboxing. You see very strong preparations, and here it is. What can it be? Apparently it was brought in by the cat. So let's see what's inside. It looks pretty substantial. It's really heavy as well. So we can expect... What on earth is that? Is it a cat toy? Looks like we have a pair of cats. But as you can see from the signs, it's from Japan. So the cat brought in something from Japan. What could have the cat brought in? Papers. Machi. Kintaro. What's in there? Ah, it's interesting. Aha. There it is. There's heavy work here. And through very heavy unboxing activity, we found something inside. This is really heavy. It weighs quite a few pounds. So let me see, I have here weight that weighs 10 pounds, and well, this is lighter than 10 pounds, but by not that much. So now you can guess what might be in here, but based on the weight, oh, look at that. Machi, Kintaro. They are deserting me. Look at that. It says Hashimoto audio transformer. Now that it gets very interesting. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Oh. This is the more interesting bit. What was in there? Beautiful. Smells fresh. You see? That is a Hashimoto inductor. It's a choke. It says choke coil. And a little difference from the usual choke or usual inductors you can find is that it is a dual choke. So it has two coils in there. And I think here, when we look at the diagram, does it have... Well, it has here these things, these drawings. You see? It lists here the two coils. So coil 1 and coil 2. And when it shows here that this is one coil and this is the other coil. And basically what you can do is you can use these coils in series or in parallel. And when you use them in series, it gives you different inductance and different DCR compared to when you use them in parallel. And that's, well, quite obvious. And basically what we have inside this one unit is two chokes. So not just one, but two, which means two coils. And And the tricky bit, why this is something really tremendous, why it's better than just having two chokes next to each other, is because you can use it as a common mode choke. And I will explain that, I think, in a follow-up video, and I will draw and show things with it. It's much easier to understand when you see it compared to me just talking and trying to describe it. However, here it is. So basically it shows here RDC, resistance to DC current, 44 ohms times 2. So basically we have two coils, and each of those coils is a 44 ohm coil. And it says that if we put it in series, then it's a 6 Henry single inductor. If they are connected parallel, then it's a 1.5 Henry. And why is that? So that's the total inductance. And you see, if you connect them in series, then it's a quarter of an amp. But when you connect them in parallel, it's half an amp rated. So what else can you do with it? And there's also a third choice. And that's the third choice that I will use this coil with, and that's why I bought it. And if you want to guess at it, you can guess it in the comment section. And I'm really curious how many of you will guess at that application that I will be using it with. And thank you, Kintaro, for the really heavy work that you've been doing during this unboxing. And yeah, look at that. He is not very active. And I really hope that the camera was recording something. Yes, I think we were in the picture, but I will see it later on. So thank you everyone for chugging along for this amazing unboxing. I think the cats really loved it. They were really interested in it. And I really want to mention that this unboxing video was made entirely possible by you. I have purchased this inductor with your support, entirely with your coffee. So this is something truly fantastic. I think this is a celebration for the new year. And really, this is your celebration, and I think because of your generous coffee infusions through Buy Me a Coffee, you really deserve to be part of the unboxing of this fantastic gift. So I hope you liked it, and I thank you, Kintaro, thank you, Machiko, for your help. You guys and girls have an amazing day. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.